chew. So I'll come to this part again to remind me पूरा food का structure भी समझाते जाता हूँ. But why rice? If you eat white rice, which is what all of us would be eating, are you eating brown rice? Brown rice? Is it sticky?
Yeah.
Fantastic. How much do you have to chew, or are you gulping it down?
You have to chew a lot.
Chewing more than white rice,
More
but I
than-
think maybe not enough.
Each morsel of food, what did I say in the morning? 97% digestion happens on the tongue. Okay. The more you chew until and unless it is not mixed fully well with your saliva, your body does not register कि वो वजन आके वहाँ पे पड़ा है. ठीक है? What happens is, see, to all diabetics we say, start eating less sugar.
Yeah, that's the general concept.
Which is bullshit, literally. Okay, it's an ailment of the pancreas and the spleen not sending out enough insulin in quantity to be able to burn what you have eaten. Or the second type is the insulin resistance, which is where spleen and the liver together, the liver is responsible as an instructor. Look, administrator, spleen ने माल तो भेज दिया कि ये यहाँ पे एक यूनिट है, ये दूसरा यूनिट है, ये तीसरा यूनिट है. Each cell takes in the food and metabolizes and churns out energy from it. Correct? But the liver, the great general, is responsible for the instruction to open the mouth of the cells. Correct? अब अगर वो liver वो काम नहीं करेगा तो spleen अपना काम कर रही है. So the pancreas are functioning right, but the liver is not doing this job, which is to help open the mouth of each cells so that they can accept the food. Okay? And that is why when you check the blood sugar level, you will find the blood sugar level a little higher. Correct? In which case the kidneys will kick in and they will start trying to flush out the sugars. Okay, because kidneys start filtering the entire blood system. So they start flushing out the sugars. When you start eating rice this way, chewing 30 times, it soothes the liver. In which case the liver starts coming to, वो यहाँ पे अगर है या वो यहाँ पे अगर है तो वो धीमे धीमे यहाँ पे फिर से आ जाएगा. तो वो वापस इंस्ट्रक्शन देना चालू करेगा कि भाई ओपन द माउथ, टेक द फूड इन, स्टार्ट डाइजेस्टिंग, स्टार्ट सेंडिंग मी एनर्जी, वी नीड एनर्जी. ओके, दिस इज हाउ देयर आर 3 types of diabetes also as per Nadi, treated very differently. Modern medicine does not have that. Okay. Chew your food. If you chew each morsel 30 times, automatically you will observe your quantity of food will go down. Correct? But everything that you eat will be digested super well. The nutritional uptake will be super amazing. The absorption, assimilation and detoxification function, all of them will come back into synchronicity. If you simply follow this process for 5 days, where every meal you consciously sit there, first taste, madhur, sweet, chew. तुमको लगता है ना कि 30% भूख तो साला ये मिठाई खाने से भर गया, तो एक काम करो, एक और एक्स्ट्रा लास्ट बाइट लो और 40% पे पहुंच जाओ खाली मिठाई के साथ. That is what I do. If I don't know if anybody of you observe how I eat, especially when I am given the option of a buffet. मिठाई first, भर के. I finished 2 bowls of kheer first, then like, अब देखते वो अच्छा वो भाकरी वाकरी भी है टेस्ट के लिए, चल तो एक भाकरी लिया, ठीक है, add little bit सब्जी, then again I'm like rice, let's have rice, 3, 4, 5 spoons of rice, dal. I'll generally end up asking the waiter, सुनना घी रहेगा क्या, घी ला के डालना, ठीक. Why? That combination really nourishes all the producing organs. Have you seen farmers? What do they take to the farm to eat?
Yeah, actually, I mean,
That is fire.
fine.
And why the mirchi? That is super wind. Farmer कर क्या रहा है? Movement. He is consuming the energy which is slow burning, moving all day long. Correct? Diet is so simple, so nourishing. साला उसको ना डायबिटीज होता है, ना ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ता है, ना उसको स्ट्रेस है, एंजाइटी है, फियर है, टेंशन है, आजू बाजू से सांप जाएगा आएगा, बिच्छू रहता है, कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Correct? Why? The more you are connected with earth, the more you strengthen your spleen, automatically the earth in your body, which holds everything together, automatically strengthens. In which case you will start losing most types of fears also. People who are connected to earth, people who are connected to their roots, people who are connected to farming, they start losing every type of fear. They are fearless. Right? अपन बोलते हैं ना, गांव से जाता रहेगा, गांव वाले से पंगा नहीं लेने का. क्यों? Because you know they are fearless and they will fight for their righteousness come what may, tooth and nail. That is exactly what producers inside our body are also doing. Correct? If you do wrong to them, they start doing so wrong to you. You start doing wrong to your liver, it will start creating all types of autoimmune disorders. Correct? You start doing wrong to your pancreas, सीधा फर्स्ट क्लास डायबिटीज चालू कर देगा. कितना भी मेटफॉर्मिन खाओ, कितना भी रॉ फूड खाओ, कितना भी शुगर कट कर दो, मिल्क कट कर दो और सात्विक हो जाओ. सॉरी बॉस, अभी हड़ताल पे, हमारी मांगे पूरी करो या तो तुम्हारी दुकान बंद है. करेक्ट? Isn't that exactly what the society and that class of people are exactly doing?
Yes. What about keto diets and all that are there? High meat, high fat, alcohol.
High carbs, 70% carbs, 30% fat, 10% all your minerals, vitamins, whatever. Okay? Simple, अपनी शुद्ध देशी भाषा में 1 bowl of sweet, घी गुड़, ठीक है? Then your rice, so दाल, 1.5 रोटी, doesn't matter गेहूं का है कि नाचनी का है या बाजरी का है या रोटी होता है, ठीक है? सब मिक्स करके खा लो, whatever satisfies your mind, ठीक है? Little bit सब्जी for taste, little bit अचार for taste. That's your complete platter. Okay? 2 fundamental meals like that. Okay? 2 meals which are snacky meals. Breakfast again 9 to 10 or 9:30 exact time I'll have, but in that range. 9 to 10 is the time of the spleen. Your largest meal of the day should be the breakfast or the heavy, not the large, the heavy. अच्छे से प्रॉपर पोहा, शीरा, उपमा, भाकरी, चाय कॉफी पसंद है, पियो, मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है? Unless you are not a diabetic or if you cross that age of 38 plus, where suddenly your body, in general, my observation is, starts becoming a little lactose intolerant. Get rid of the milk. Okay? Go black, but don't go green. Go black, don't go green. Okay? Have that. Have a proper breakfast. That is the time of the spleen. Spleen को सही सुखी कर लोगे ना, you see how it supports you. अच्छा, लाइफ में बहुत सिंपल. लाइफ में पैसा चाहिए, स्प्लीन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, पैसा ऑटोमेटिकली आता है. ओके? बिकॉज स्टमक when in balance attracts opportunities automatically. Spleen when in balance helps you retain the wealth what you have earned. स्प्लीन अगर एक्सेस मैसो चल रहा है, पैसा आता बड़ा है और जाता उससे बड़ा है, ठीक है? अगर स्प्लीन वीक हो गया है या स्टेग्नेशन में है, सेडिस्ट आ गया है स्प्लीन में, these people are only struggling in life. Money, they don't have. Opportunity, they don't have. Administration of money, they are the worst at. People lose 15-20 kgs weight. I have a lot of HNIs who come to the clinic. If HNI is worth 200 CR or he came to meet me after a good 6-7 months. वो भी बीच में लॉकडाउन सब चल रहा था तो कौन सा कोई तो डाइट पे चढ़ गए 15 करोड़ का नुकसान किया 15-20 करोड़ का नुकसान हुआ उसको विदाउट एनी रीजन बोलता है यार ये चीज 28 साल से करते आ रहा हूँ आज तक कभी नुकसान नहीं हुआ कैसे मेरा कोई तो ग्रह चेंज हो गया तो ही केम फॉर एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल कंसल्टेशन भाई देख क्या क्या कुछ गड़बड़ी हो गया तो मोमेंट ही एंटर्ड ऐसे सिडकी कितना 18-20 किलो लूज किया तो हाँ देख बोला तो कितना 18-20 करोड़ का लॉस भी हुआ तेरे को कैसे मालूम तेरे को किसने बोला You want to lose money? Weaken your spirit. See how you lose money in life. Automatically. पकड़ ही नहीं पाओगे पैसा रहेगा ही नहीं आपके हाथ में बैंक बैलेंस कभी बनेगा ही नहीं okay? If you have a spleen उसमें भी है ना मैं आपको बताता हूँ कफ और पित्त के बीच में यहां पे अगर लाके खड़ा रखोगे ना उसको वेल्थ एंड रनिंग इनकम बोथ बाजू वेल्थ डिपॉजिट पे डिपॉजिट कंपाउंड होते जा रहा है वेर एवर यू पुट योर हैंड्स और हेड टू वॉट एवर यू डू टर्न्स इन टू गुड वॉट एवर द अदर डज इज अ लॉस यू स्ट्रेंथन द स्प्लीन अकॉर्डिंगली हाउ डू यू स्ट्रेंथन द स्प्लीन थोड़ा सा मीठा खाओ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है यस
Made a reference to weight loss.
Real meditation happens with absolute open eyes. With closed eyes, there is a high risk of going into a trancy state, which is not real any which ways. With closed eyes, we are going into our deeper subconscious and unconscious. With open eyes, we are moving towards the supraconscious. You live in a world which is real and you have to address it, you have to accept it, you have to work in the real world. In which case, when you are doing an open-eyed meditation, all the distractions are right there in front of you and that is the real acid test. Going up and sitting in some ashram or sitting in some gufa or shutting yourself down and closing your eyes and sitting in meditation as an initial process, yes, because that is the time when, let's say, to the masochist I am trying to teach a little bit of silence. But once that circle has to also complete, he has to again come back and live inside the society, correct? And that is where the real meditation also happens. We say कि a lotus does not, कमल तो कीचड़ में ही खिलता है. Buddha uses that as his symbology also. After enlightenment, also you have to come back and live inside the society. Otherwise, you have not passed the acid test of your sattvic state. If you have to run away from the world to maintain your sattvic state, then that is not maintaining really the sattva inside of you. You have to be back in the society, no matter what situation, your equilibrium, your balance of axis or your Tao balance has to be exactly the same. Okay? And that is all that there is. So open-eyed meditations can actually take you much, much deeper into wisdom and self-awareness. Okay? Closed eyes meditations can help you dig deeper into the imbalances or the sadistic part, which is your anchors somewhere. So both have equal importance, but I always will prefer complete open-eyed meditations.
Having constant throbbing at the third eye.
Yes. Right. Right. Yeah, standard. which means कि what did I say? Brainstem बंद होगा ना, the whole energy will start piercing through the neofrontal cortex, which is the third eye.
Experience of pulling sensation here, which is still there. Pulse.
Brainstem directly connected to the umbilicus. Nabho rupe karmanae prarabdhate. This is exactly so. The first Dantian, this is the source of our consciousness. This is the movers, as I said, the producers, the movers, the projector. Okay? This is the source, this is a seed. The moment you start, so if you look at beautiful figurines of Gautama Buddha, he's sitting with a singing bowl. Okay? And at the navel, they depict a vibrational sun. Why? Because this is our vibrational sun. The more aware you are of your Dantian constantly through the day, that is what I call as the bodily intelligence. Okay? The more in balance you are always super aware, highly calm, highly agile at the same time. All your decisions are coming from deepest intuitive, natural, destiny-based decision makings. Okay? The moment you start thinking from here, and that is where all the problem starts. Okay? Stop thinking from here and start living from here. Okay?